Hello everyone, welcome to the session of Alpha Bridge Technologies Private Limited. This is Sriram Saran working as a networking engineer in Alpha Bridge. In this lecture, we will discuss about VLAN tagging and untagging. Let us see. First of all, VLAN tagging. It is used to identify and separate different VLANs within a single physical network. It allows multiple VLANs to coexist on the same physical network. For example, imagine you are working at a company with different departments like finance, sales, and technical departments. For each department, for each an employee, they will provide a ID card. Finance department has red stripe, sales department has blue stripe, technical department has green stripe. In this case, the ID card acts as tag, making it clear which department an employee belongs to. Now coming to the untagging, it is the purpose of removing the VLAN tag from a network packet. So within the same example, when employee leaves the company building and go out into the city, they have to remove their ID cards because people outside the company don't understand the meaning of colored stripe. When employee return to the company, they put their ID card back on. This process helps maintain network security and organization within the shared physical network. Now let's get into the configuration. Now open the putty. I am using Telnet to log in with the default IP 192.168.0.1. The login credentials are default admin and admin. Now give command enable. Give a command config to enter into the configuration mode. For this, we need to create multiple VLANs. Now I am creating VLAN 100, VLAN 200, VLAN 300. Now we need to go into the port interface mode as command as interface Z0/3. Now I am configuring the third port of my switch. For VLAN tagging and untagging, we need to enable the trunk mode as like switch port mode trunk. Now switch port trunk VLAN allowed 100, 200, 300. Here now I am allowing these three VLANs into the third port, which I am tagging. This process is called VLAN tagging. After this, need to go back, and now for VLAN untagging, I am doing to another interface port. So the process of untagging, it is the purpose of removing the VLAN tag from a network packet. Hence the command, we need to go for the trunk mode. After that, switch port trunk VLAN untag, and we can specify the VLANs to remove their IDs. So I removed the VLAN tags from VLAN 100, 200 packets, and it will allow only VLAN 300 into the port 4. This is the purpose of VLAN untagging. Now exit, exit. Now give the command to see your configuration. Show running config. So here is the result in my port 3, I allowed VLAN 100, 200, 300. This process is called VLAN tagging. In port 4, I untagged VLAN 100, 200. The VLAN tags will be removed. So this is the process called VLAN untagging. So that's it guys about this lecture. I hope you understand very well. Thank you.